I spent 24 hours testing viral life hacks from the internet to see which ones actually work, and which ones are complete trash. Some of these blew my mind, and some almost burned my house down. Let's get into it. Hack number 1. Using toothpaste to clean dirty shoes. According to TikTok, this will make them look brand new. I'm using my dirtiest shoes for this. Let's see if it works. Okay, I'm applying the toothpaste, scrubbing it in. Honestly, it smells minty fresh, but I don't see much happening yet. Let me keep going. Okay, wow, it actually worked kinda. The shoe is definitely cleaner, but not brand new like they claimed. I'd give this hack a 6 out of 10. Semi-busted. Hack number 2. Putting your phone in the freezer to cool it down when it overheats. This one sounds dangerous, but millions of people swear by it. Let's test it. I'm setting a timer for 5 minutes. If I forget it and it freezes completely, I'm screwed. This is risky. Oh no! The phone has condensation inside it now. This could damage it permanently. Do not try this hack. This is a hard fail. 1 out of 10. Busted and dangerous. Hack number 3. This viral 5-minute crafts hack claims you can make chocolate-covered bananas in 30 seconds using just foil and a lighter. Sounds too good to be true. Wrapping the banana, lighting it up. This feels wrong, but let's see what happens. The video said 30 seconds. This is burnt. It's completely black and smells terrible. 5-minute crafts lied to us again. This is a 2 out of 10. Total bust. Hack number 4. Wrapping a wet paper towel around a drink and putting it in the freezer makes it ice cold in just 2 minutes. Let's see if this is real or fake. Wrapped it up. Now waiting exactly 2 minutes. If this works, it's a game changer for summer. Holy cow, this is ice cold. This actually works. This is the best hack so far. 10 out of 10. Confirmed. Final hack. Using toilet paper rolls to organize cables. My cables are a disaster. Let's see if this simple trick actually helps. Threading them through, organizing by type. This is actually pretty satisfying. No special tools needed, just recycled rolls. Wow, this looks so much better. My drawer is actually organized. This is a solid 9 out of 10. Confirmed and genius. Alright, let's rank these from worst to best. Number 5, phone in freezer. 1 out of 10. Dangerous, don't try. Number 4, banana foil hack. 2 out of 10. Complete waste. Number 3, toothpaste cleaning. 6 out of 10. Works okay. Number 2, cable organizer. 9 out of 10. Actually genius. Number 1, wet paper towel cooling. 10 out of 10. Life-changing. So out of 5 viral hacks, only 2 actually worked well. The internet lies to us.
Smash that like button and subscribe for more life hack testing. Comment below which hack you want me to test next. See you there!